Welcome to Colin's storytelling desk. Next story. Liam pulls the fire alarm and gets grounded. Please enjoy.
I am hot.
GRRR.
Wah.
Gross. Did you fart?
Yes. I did fart.
Liam, how dare you poop in your pants? That's it. You're fired. Get out of here now.
No, you coconut head.
UHHHHHHHHHHH. Get out now.
I will pull the fire alarm. Let's get out of here.
Oh no. The fire alarm is going off. I have to get out of here. I know it was you that pulled the fire alarm.
What? How?
I saw you pulling the fire alarm before the fire alarm went off. You deserve to be fired.
I see a fire. Let's get out of here right now.
Okay. Why didn't you say so? Let's try this again. GRRRRRRRR. I lost again. Oh my god. The camera behind my computer scared me. The fire alarm is going off. I'm going to leave here now. Hey Colin. Why did the alarm go off?
Oh, Liam pulled it.
It was him again? When I get home, he will get grounded.
Oh. Hi. Anyway, when Alex got home. Oh my god, who are you?
My name is Dylan. I was that ghost you didn't know was in the elevator with you.
Oh, okay.
Liam, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That is it. You are grounded until you can go back to school. Go to your room right now. Wah!
This ends the story about Liam pulling the fire alarm. I hope you liked it. Please hit the like button and subscribe.